Most people spend their lives working for money. But the wealthy focus on something different. They focus on building assets. Assets are things that put money into your pocket, even when you are not working. The more assets you build, the closer you move to financial freedom. So here are 10 powerful assets that have helped millions of people build real wealth. Stocks allow you to own a small piece of a company. As the company grows, the value of your shares can increase. Some companies also pay dividends, and over time, compounding lets your money grow. Real estate is one of the most common wealth-building assets. Rental properties can generate monthly income. At the same time, the property may increase in value. That combination builds long-term wealth. Owning a business gives you the opportunity to create unlimited income potential. It isn't capped by your hours. Businesses can scale, hire, and sell while you sleep. The upside can be huge with the right model. Skills are assets you carry everywhere. Technology and sales can dramatically increase your earning power. The more valuable your marketing and finance skills become, the more opportunities and income you create. Online courses and ebooks can generate income repeatedly. Build once, sell many times. With the right distribution, digital tools and templates can earn on repeat. Dividend investments provide regular income simply for owning certain assets. Some companies share profits with shareholders. Those payouts can create a steady income stream you can reinvest or use. Intellectual property includes books, software, and music, creations that can earn royalties for years. A single successful idea can produce income long into the future. Online businesses let you reach customers worldwide and operate 24 hours a day. With the right strategy, content and systems can generate consistent income. Your network can be one of your greatest assets. The right people open doors. Strong relationships lead to deals, advice, and partnerships, opportunities you won't find alone. Perhaps the most powerful asset is time combined with discipline. This is the multiplier. Wealth grows slowly through consistent investing and smart decisions. Patience lets assets grow. The difference between those who struggle financially and those who build wealth often comes down to assets. Start building assets early, stay consistent, and allow time to work in your favor. When assets are given time to grow, the results can be extraordinary. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more insights on wealth building and financial freedom.